Have you seen one of these before? What about this? Or this? Well, these weird, almost bizarre-looking products are banking us $500 to $1,000 payments over and over. Don't believe me? Check this out. We've made a total of $1,290.62 in a mere 12 hours. And here's another live screenshot taken from one of our beta testers, Samuel's online account. A whopping $37,084.51 casually sitting in there. And you might think we had to work hard for this money, right? Wrong. In fact, we didn't have to put in any work. All we had to do was set up an automated online superstores once and continue profiting 24/7 even whilst we sleep. Now, I know this may all seem far-fetched, but let's just assume for a moment it were possible. Would you like to start doing the same? How would you like to start receiving $500 to $1,000 payments over and over, just like myself, Samuel, and many others did? If you answered yes, then let me show you exactly how it's done. See, after months of research, we discovered a system that lets us exploit the new $4.2 trillion online shopping craze. Look, online shopping is thriving. People nowadays prefer to simply shop online, visit a couple of websites and get the products they want. COVID-19 has certainly exploded the already increasing trend of online shopping. More people are buying online than ever before. Albert Einstein once said, "In the midst of every crisis lies great opportunity. You have no risk. Click the button below to get Phantom and all of the exclusive bonuses at the lowest price right now, today." I'll see you inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of MikeMbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and your life to the next level. If making money online is your desire and your intention, here on my channel, I come up with products and training courses, including anything that will definitely help you make money online. And today I have another amazing software product, one that is going live on the 29th of May 2022 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this product is being pushed out there by the super affiliate, one of the biggest of them all. By this I mean Branson Day. Sir Branson Day. This one is a very amazing product because it's going to help you create e-com stores in just 3 clicks. And of course, you know what that means. E-com stores for your e-commerce, and of course, just like you have Shopify, this one is going to, in 3 clicks, create such a store for you where you can, leverage the internet and of course leverage $4.2 trillion, avenue through which you can make money online using the e-commerce. Now, it's a crazy one. Like I said, it's going live on the 29th, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if such a product is one you would like to have, I will definitely encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will bring you to the amazing bonus page of mine, where you are going to have the opportunity to grab this product using this link above here, and of course any of the very yellow links scattered all over this page. Like I said, it's a crazy one. Branson Tay said that it's a new $4.2 trillion online shopping craze, and of course Phantom creates automated online superstores in just 3 clicks, and it's 100% fresh, 100% new, and 1000% easy. Fully set up in 30 seconds. I doubt that 30 seconds may be too small for that. And of course, set up once and you continue to profit into 24/7 whilst you're asleep, and works for ordinary people. No tech skills required, no experience needed. 39 newbies made profits with within 16 hours on the first try. Finally unlock dream style of yours, and of course your dream lifestyle, and 0 risk, 30-day money back guarantee. It's that it works, or they pay you $300 whopping dollars. And that's what the creator Branson Tay is actually promising, and considering his antecedents, we have no reason to actually doubt him on this one. Now, like I told you before, this is a product you may need. if you really want to start making money online, creating 100% autopilot traffic, and of course autopilot e-commerce stores where you can actually sell your products and of course your inventories and be able to make money online. It's a crazy one, that I can assure you. If you stick with me, I'll show you through the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which are of course lined up here, show you the prices for this one, and of course give you information on the sales page. And unfortunately, for reasons of password, I've waited and waited. I was not able to get the password to access the members area of the software, that's the dashboard. But for reasons of time, because tomorrow definitely I may not be available to do any review, so I'm doing this today based on the fact that today may be the only day I have for this weekend to actually do this. So forgive me. You will definitely get access as soon as you buy this product. Using my link, you have automatic access after under your purchase history to the members area of this product. So don't bother, you can buy it as well as that. When this product and these buttons go active, that should be on the 29th, 10 a.m. New York time. Now with that said, I will go ahead to show you the pricing for Phantom, and the first front end goes for $19, and I think on the sales page there should be a discount coupon that you will be making use of. It's not popping up now, but definitely by the time you're ready to buy this, it will be there for you. It will give you further discount on the $19 price on the front end. And now you have the OTO number 1, which is the unlimited version of the front end, which is equally very, very advisable because it will help you unlock all the limitations that you have on the front end. And of course, supercharge your Phantom account to 100%, 100 times traffic and profit twice as fast with unlimited edition. Remove all limits and create unlimited Phantom online superstores. Amazing, amazing. OTO number 2 will be done for you, $297. Everything is done for you. The e-commerce is set up for you. The traffic is automated for you. Everything in just simple 3 clicks, and this will be done by the support of this very product, and you have nothing to do, just that sit back and enjoy your lifestyle. Now OTO number 3 will be hands-free automation, which is an automated angle of this very software, which will cost you $97. Here you enjoy hands-free income by fully automating Phantom. Traffic, sales and profit keep rolling in on autopilot 24/7, 365 days of the year, and of course you make money while you sleep, which is very important. Very, very important to make money while you sleep, using multi streams of income. Now OTO number 4 will be 5 times income multiplier. It goes for 47. It's optional. OTO number 5, needless traffic, goes for 167. And of course OTO number 6, franchise license, goes for I think let us see, OTO number 6 goes for yes, 297. I omitted that, 297. Okay, so you will be able to have that at checkout. And of course here you have OTO number 7 as well. I forgot to put the price, but it's not very far from us. It's $67. So you have basically all you want there. And then of course these are the amazing benefits you have here. At your convenience, you go through this and see everything structured. Now with that said, let us see my bonuses for you. My first bonus will be how to get traffic to any link or offer of your choice. In this case, the very automated website that is going to be created with this very software, you can drive amazing traffic to that. Of course, my bonus number 2 will be how to create free functional websites. OTO number 3 will be how to convert your traffic fast. Amazing hack that I can assure you. And OTO number 4 will be 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot. And of course, bonus number 5 will be all the vendor bonuses for this one. When eventually you pick up this product using any of these links, that will take you to the sales page where you use all the other links scattered all over here like this one. When you do, under your very purchase history on your Water Plus account, you'll find a page that looks very much like this. Here you have the button to give you Phantom, and here under it blue, that will give you access to these amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. Here you have my websites, And here, of course, the email address in case you have any issues, and of course that will be taken care of. And with that said, we have done with this very bonus page of mine, considering the prizes and of course my bonuses. And now let us see the sales page together, and then be able to scroll and see what the vendor bonuses that I promised you to be there for you on the sales page. You can read through this at your convenience. Take your time, and you'll be able to understand the importance of this very one if you want to embark on e-commerce. And of course, this is a software that will automate that e-commerce and of course give you 100% everything on autopilot. So you have a very good one at hand here. Let us see if we can relocate the amazing bonuses from the vendor so that you can see what the vendor is giving out if you buy this product using the link in my description area, which I told you will bring you to my bonuses. And those bonuses, any of those links yellow there, will take you to the sales page, where you use any of the yellow links there to check out. When you do, under your purchase history, you'll find a page that is going to give you access to the very bonus of mine and of course the product itself, Phantom. Okay, I think the very bonuses we are looking for should be somewhere here, because I saw it before coming online to do this review, and I am definitely certain that we will get to it. Now this is bonus number 1 from the vendor, 1 day a day live masterclass. Bonus number 2, 30 seconds free commissions. Bonus number 3, 513 per day viral traffic. Bonus number 4, Phantom commercial license. Bonus number 5, 1 million a year blueprint. 5 bonuses from the vendor, 4 from me, making it 9 whopping bonuses for you to make up your mind on this one. And with this said, like I said, I am very sorry I couldn't again access because of password issues to the various members area, the software itself, but it doesn't matter. I trust Attain, and of course you can always get automatic access to this when you buy it using my link, and of course that will be make you automatic member of the dashboard, and you'll be able to get through the training and get started with this one making money. Okay, with that said, I will encourage you to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. And of course I will come back to you in my next review. This is Mike from Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me from here, guys. It's goodbye.